My name is Timur and in this video we talk about what is ChatGPT. ChatGPT, short for Chat Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is an advanced language model developed by Openai that is trained on a massive amount of text data to generate human-like text. The model utilizes the transformer architecture, which was introduced in the paper Attention is All You Need and has since become the foundation for many state-of-the-art natural language processing models. ChatGPT is pre-trained on a diverse range of texts including web pages, books, and forums, which enables it to generate responses that are both relevant and informative. The model has a deep understanding of language and is able to generate coherent, grammatically correct text that is contextually relevant to the input it receives. One of the key strengths of ChatGPT is its ability to engage in conversational AI. It can understand the context of a user's input and generate a response that is appropriate for the situation. This makes it a powerful tool for building chatbots, virtual assistants, and other conversational AI applications. The model can also be fine-tuned for specific tasks, such as answering questions or generating creative text, by training it on additional data. In addition to its conversational capabilities, ChatGPT can also be used for a variety of other natural language processing tasks, such as text summarization, text generation, text classification, and sentiment analysis. It has been used in many real-world applications, including customer service chatbots, virtual writing assistants, and personalized news summarization. Overall, ChatGPT represents a major advancement in the field of AI and natural language processing, and its capabilities and applications are continually expanding. It provides a powerful tool for developers and researchers looking to build advanced language-based AI applications. This is the accurate information about ChatGPT. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and like share. Feel free to comment.